everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I'm going to do the final flip through of our Tall Documents journal. It's been so fun to make, such a good experience for me. Okay, well let's just get started. It's tied with the rayon seam binding. Of course it is 4 1/4 inches wide by 11 inches tall. It's one signature. This is the cover. And it does come with the kit. And then I did some fussy cutting flowers and added a butterfly, put some trim with some velvet. The back of it is just as pretty. Did another fussy cut flower. Okay, let's go inside. Alright, this is the front cover. Now I have this little bird in the front cover, and what it is a little tablet, and you open it up and it says flourish and has some little roses, and it's got little pieces of paper for you to journal on. Isn't that cute? I did take that out for the front picture, but let me go ahead and put that back in now. And I've just got that with the paper clip. Now the front pocket is an accordion style. I tied it with rayon ribbon. This is an applique. It's got trim and some more trim, and you open it up and it's got three pockets that you can put your treasures in. Look at that trim, isn't that pretty? And this is the background page that comes with the kit. Okay. Here we go. We've got 3 tags there. There's an applique, crochet doily. Here's some trim. It's a butterfly that becomes a pocket. It's got an applique on a postcard, and that's a journal card. Lots of journaling space in this journal, which is so good. Half page. And then some more journaling space there. Another half page. And more journaling space there. There's an applique. And I used pink and blue and cream trim on the edges. This is all fussy cutted and glued in place. This is a postcard that I kind of folded diagonally to go around both sides of the page so that it would be a tuck spot on both sides. And I've got a copy of an old document there. And then on this side I've got a journal card and some other pieces of old documents here. Here's a smaller page. Here's a calendar that's vintage. 3 tags. Look at the kitty. I just thought she was cute. And here's the coin holder pictures that we made together. Isn't it cute? And even just the book is kind of gator mouth. It's kind of sliding, but because I used the cardstock, it's just staying in place so nicely. I love it. Okay. Half a page here. You can write right here too. And another half a page. This is an applique that's glued in place and ribbon. Here's a pocket with a couple of tags from the kit. I figured this woman owns this journal. And here's a tuck spot with the tag with a bird. And there's lace trim, and that's an fussy cut here too. And look at this. This is rayon ribbon, and I just put slots there so that I could put little bits of ribbon just to decorate the edge of the page. I really love that. And here's a tuck spot, and it's got an old document in it. And some birds. Here's a pocket, and it's got 2 tags. This is an envelope, and it's tied shut. And you actually do have to take that ribbon out to open it up all the way, just one side. And you pull this one open, and then you lift the flap, and then you've got a beautiful picture to look at. And then you can journal right here. So it gives you almost a secret spot. Isn't that cute? And here's a tuck spot. This is the top of the envelope that we just opened. This is the flap of it, and I used it for a tuck spot. And it's got an old postcard in there. This is an envelope, and it is empty. There's nothing inside there. It just looks pretty in here. And here's some more of that rayon trim. And if you can tell, I went in between the first 3 to make the second 3, so it would line the whole book. And then here's some beautiful trim that I had left over from sewing some pillows for my bedroom. And I thought, I want to use that. It's kind of a bulky, but at the same time, because it hangs down in the middle past here, I think it's just gorgeous. I think it just adds so much to the book. And then I've got a tab on the next side of that page that you can hold on to and just turn it all over at the same time. Here's a journal card that you open. Lots of writing place. That's washi tape. And here's a pocket with some journaling tags and spaces. Half a page here. So the book is pink and blue and creams, which I love. I just love that combination. I figure this is the house that woman lives in. And here's a half a page. Love that. Okay, here's a cluster. And this is another flower tuck spot, and it's got a copy of an old document. Pocket with a bird and another tag and another tag. And this is the other side of that calendar. And I did another cluster of postcards in the same way, where I straddled it across the page so I could have a tuck spot on both sides. And then on this side I did a copy of an old document. And this one has an old postcard and a piece of a heart doily and a bird. Just added a butterfly to that page and all the trim. Here's a pocket with a butterfly and a tag. Half a page. And look, the cars. I figured the car looks like that from this era. So I put that in there. Just trying to tell a story all the way through. And here's a little bird on a tag, and this is a tiny tag in a little pocket. There's a little half page with some net and an applique. And that flips out, and you can journal on the back of that. And then this one also flips out too. This one is an envelope, and it's got a tag inside there. Getting almost to the back. There we go. This is the back page, and I did a whole stack of little pockets here, and then I just put a bunch of little pieces. And most of these are stamps. I'll show them to you. And these come from my kit called Vintage Letters. It came with 3 pages of stamps. One was with butterflies, one was birds, and one was flowers. So they're not in this kit, but they do come in that kit. And I put a butterfly straddling both pages and a bird. and an applique here, and of course you've got your lace trim, and that's the end of the book. Well, I hope you loved it. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a creative day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.